What's up, guys? It's Michael Campbell with Moe's BBQ out here in Eagle, Colorado, and continuing with the theme of tailgate wherever you are. What goes best with barbecue sauce? So we're going to go in with our traditional Alabama white sauce. It's a North Alabama staple, and the basis of that is traditionally is mayo, cider vinegar, and black pepper. But here at Moe's, we're going to kick it up a notch with a couple other ingredients. And right here, we have our ingredients. So we got sugar, salt, a little bit of our Moe's rub, cayenne pepper, white pepper, woo-woo, a little lemon juice, and cayenne Crystal's hot sauce there. And so we got about 4 cups of mayo here, 3 to 4 cups of mayo. Then we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, another half teaspoon of the white pepper, big old full teaspoon and a half of our black pepper, tablespoon of salt, another tablespoon of our Moe's rub, add a little sugar for some sweetness, and a little lemon juice. You want to be careful not to get any seeds in there. So you want to keep a hand underneath it so you can collect those seeds. I'm gonna start with a little bit of I'm gonna start with a half a lemon, and we're gonna see how that, if it needs to be a little more acidic, then we can add more at the end. And of course, with everything, if we need a little bit more, we're just gonna make it to your taste, and you can add it at the end. A couple dashes of hot sauce. Some of our woo-woo, not too much. And then we're going to add this apple cider vinegar. So for 4 cups of mayo, I'm probably going to start with a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and see how it goes from there. Then we're just going to start mixing. And you want to whisk this until all these little BBs are gone, so it's a smooth consistency. And this is a little bit thicker, so we're going to add just a little bit more apple cider vinegar. Loosen it up a bit. Then give it a little taste. And that's white sauce, right?